Fans, we're back installing the Gen 2 shift control box on this old Checkmate. This is going far easier than I thought. Probably the most time-consuming part was following the template to install this bezel on the side mount. And what I did there is I put blue tape over everything. Then I took the template and made a copy of it on the printer. Cut it all out, taped it on there, marked it all out, because as soon as you touched it with any kind of drill bits, it just kind of tore the paper off. But I had everything marked out in blue, and that went perfect. Next thing was I assembled the cables into that Gen 2 box. That was a piece of cake. The directions that come with that Gen 2 are perfect. I mean, it's easy reading. Just follow them. Got those installed, and then just threaded the cables back through the back of the boat, and you can see them sticking out here. I'm going to attach them later. They'll attach just like I disconnected the old ones. I saved the old ones as templates to help me adjust those trunnions, those little black things on the brass cable. Those little trunnions you have to kind of screw in and out to see, get the proper adjustment. But and then the last thing was just making sure that I had everything wired correctly. This adapter that came with the kit, I didn't have this other plug-in, so I just put some little wire clips on there, and I slid them in there. I'm going to just pack that with silicone, let it dry overnight, then tape everything off. I had one extra wire. I'm not sure what that wire did. I'm going to tape it off, but the important thing was I've got it all plugged in here just to test it, and sure enough, you can hear it up, down, everything works good back there. So that's the important thing. It works. And that's the only two things I'm doing with this. Still have to hook up a run off. I've got to figure out where those two wires go. I'm not too concerned about that. The other one is the yellow and red. That's your only will start in neutral wires, and those two same wires are up underneath there. So off and running, sports fans. I'm going to see you on the water here when we get this thing running, and I'm going to show you how nice this thing shifts and how great that this little boat runs. Okay, see you.